This is Priscilla Batzell in her studio, and that is a 14 by 14 inch canvas, twice primed with some gold paint. These are some leftover Prizm pour colors that I've decided I'm going to use as a base if I can. I grab a little bit of everything, and I figure I can repeat that if I need to. I'm going to start with some pink carnation over the top. Really? I don't think that's going to make a darn bit of difference. And then I'm going to grab my little swipe card. That's mostly white, so we'll grab some black or some purple. Let's start with purple. Purple cell activator is Australian Floetrol with dioxazine purple. And that's from Hobby Lobby. That's Master's Touch. And some cerulean blue from Golden. I'm always talking about tipping, so maybe this is the time. Not sure what to do about that. Lead it toward the edge. Learn my lesson. So let's just do that again from the other side. Who knows this is a total experiment for me. What I'd really like to do is leave some gold negative space. But I'm not sure I'm as capable as I wish I were. But I do want to use up my paint. So I am going to use the purple again. I seem to be a little clumsy right now. And some white. I might want a wider swipe card, and I probably have plenty of them. And I'm pretty sure I can go right through the middle. By dragging some of that paint. Get rid of that thing that looks like a mistake. If in doubt, spatula it out. Since I have paint, I might as well use it. Although I'm not terribly impressed with my prowess yet. Might as well go from the middle. This is a lot thicker than I imagined it would be. I kind of wanted to do black and white. But that is so far from this, it's not even funny. Let's see if we can find a slightly wider card. And we'll go for some black. I kind of like some gold in there. Wait, if I really want it, I better open it. Or at least make sure it's shaken. Let's put the gold on first and the black on second. Just using up colors. Okay, gold on first. Sounds like a baseball game. Black on second. I want some magenta. That's a golden magenta. It's a fluid. I just want to be able to be smart enough to use enough paint to make it all the way across. That magenta did not show up in the least. And I'm not seeing any cells so far, which is highly unusual. So, that makes me want to just grab the black, like I said. Blow that bubble out. And try the white. And I'm going to leave whatever color's in there right now. And I will wantonly do as I wish. Although it doesn't seem to be going very well. I'm going to take my spatula and make an adjustment. Looks like I can get that to run down with a little help from my friends. Let's just go back in there. Let's use the small card. Let's try the white with the black this time. Let's try some medium white. You never know when things are going to work out though. This must be the time to try all kinds of stuff. I really want to just use my spatula. And I don't think it matters anymore. It's all about texture for me at this point. Yes. That was the white. Okay, that's the black. Brain cramp. The only stripe I'm not happy with is the center one. There really aren't any rules unless you make them up. And I'm always saying Prizm pours save the day. Because they're so beautiful. There is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. Let's fill out my stripe. It's going to look like bamboo. I've got, what, cerulean blue? These are Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and they are on my Amazon link. Now's the time if I'm ever going to fatten this stripe up. Well, at least I have my gold negative space still. Kind of like a little bit of that pink on the other side. That's tempting. Why don't I do that? Faster means a thinner line. Okay, I keep being called by whatever is in my head to peacock for some reason. That's found the dark waters. There's the peacock. I found the black iris too. All bets are off. That is the deep amethyst, to be joined by some Royal Galaxy. And I am super tempted to put some of my cerulean blue, which is an amethyst, excuse me, a color from golden. Wow. I like the little gaps. Should have thought of that before. I don't like paint chips though. Well, going right back for the pink carnation. I like the gaps because the gold is showing through, and I wish I'd have thought of that before. So let's go. And gap it up. Might as well go pink carnation now. I'm definitely increasing the amount of paint I'm using. That is the Mayan gold. I think I'm going to throw in a little bit of royal sapphire. Just going to dribble some of my cell activator right into the painting. I definitely want to cheat today. Just move that right over. I don't know what that thing is I'm seeing right there. It's an illusion. Wish I could think of something really clever to do this now. I'm just going to use all of the paint that's left on my card to go right down through. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll just have some fun. Toothy tool next. Ah, boy. Okay. It's going to be one of these days. I think I have officially ruined it, but it's never over until I lose my last. There we go. Hey, I'm getting some interesting cells popping. And I don't give up easily. And I do like odd things. I've got a much smaller, yes, these are Toothy tools made with spatula heads from probably from the dollar store. And if I don't remember to include the video, please ask me. That's a fun way to finish for me, especially since I hate wasting things. I have no idea what that thumping is in the background. Someone in the kitchen doing something strange. Alright. I've got 3 minutes and I probably don't need all of it. I am thinking. No idea. No idea what I'm thinking at all. Toothy tool. Something different than I had there. Time to wipe that one off. Oops. I dripped. Alright. So yeah, I like weird. And this qualifies as that. I want to stop myself before I go any further, because I don't think I'm helping my cause at this point. But it's so hard to stop. It's so fun to do this. And I really do like it, in spite of the fact that it's a rescue. It has good colors. They might even shimmer. Pretty sure they will. Definitely an abstract expressionist. I can't tell you what I'm expressing. There are a few cells, but it really doesn't need to have many. I wanted to do this on a gold background actually for a while. I just didn't expect to do it quite this way or today. But I'm liking the colors. And I could go through one of these one time and add some dots or something. That's kind of fun. Alright, so I have over 2,400 videos on Expressionist Studio Priscilla Batzell. And if you have a question answered, you are more than welcome to ask. I'm happy to get back to you. If you check my community board on Expressionist Studio Priscilla Batzell, you will be able to find out what tomorrow's video is. Thank you guys for all the comments, kind words, and donations that help keep me painting all this time. There's 15 minutes free for anybody during the month they make a donation, so bear that in mind. I love you guys. Please share my videos. Thanks for the thumbs up. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. And if you're still here, check my Amazon link on the link tree below the video. And I do sell my artwork, and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I wasn't sure how much time I had left. My email address is below the video, also underneath Show More, as are my paint pouring recipes. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.